You're not easy. Babe, don't put your... Babe, for real, I'm not playing.
Okay. Well.
Yeah, but see, the one you have to clean. Close the eyes.
We are going right way?
Yes. So, and you can sit down on the floor. You're good, man. This is not good in.
Where will you go?
Just sit down right
Wait!
here.
I can't see.
Here. Alright. These are some of your, these are your gifts that they have for you. Wait, make sure I see this. Okay, go ahead, go. Turn around. I'll look at him. Are you that? Just, you have to sit down and don't get up. Turn on!
Babe!
Yes?
What did you get in? What did you get in Sephora for me?
Your thing.
Babe, the 2-year made one of yours?
That's yours.
It's one of them?
Yeah, wait, babe, that's my size.
Ah, I love these. They're gonna look so cute for me.
This one.
What should I open first?
Anything you want, open.
Okay. I kind of know what this smells like, but
That's your signature scent. That's a must-have for her.
let me turn that way there. Oh, my favorite. I still have the bottle in here. Oh my god. I love it.
Yes, remember when we leave the other one to you first time?
What, give it you?
Yeah. That one.
Oh, this, yeah.
Me leave in our door where we did their mom.
Yeah, me
My
remember.
mother.
Okay, what should I open next?
You like your shoes?
Yes, we need to try them on, but
The black one. So, me have these two.
Is it one?
Yes.
Okay, good. We can twin together. Oh, this is gonna look so cute.
Let me show you mine. I got this belt for you. Babe, this belt gonna look so cute for you at work.
Babe, these are so comfy.
Here. This is a two-side belt. I know say me a pop off it. Me a be aggressive and a pop off with something and this come, but when I wear it, it take a come across, so I was being me just a pop it. It is my babe. So when you're wearing
Babe, then shoes are so comfortable.
I'm saying, right girl? When you're wearing this,
Yes.
you have to cover the part with tear, cause guys, me did a pop off this some friends, so that is
They're
the
too strong.
there's something with the price tag.
Oh, they're cute.
Guys, see my one here.
I love them. Babe, they're so comfortable.
Yes. No, you're not gonna see
And it's
nobody
my
in those.
exact size.
Of
And
course.
even though I have on the nail,
You don't feel uncomfy?
my two of them lay really flat.
You not see where are you go? You go to that?
You got me Sephora, which is so cute. What is in there? My makeup stuff?
Then just give me them something, I don't know what them.
Oh, you know what?
It's like samples of
It's
stuff.
serum. Yay, baby, love that color here. So I got some lip gloss.
A lip gloss that are lipstick or eye gloss?
These are lipstick.
I think I got 2 lipstick, 1 lip gloss.
Yes, so these are the lipstick. Oh, you got pink and a nudish
Guys,
green.
them little something there so expensive. I see why people charge so much to do makeup, because
Yeah, they're
people
expensive.
charge to do makeup, they actually pay a lot of stuff for the lot of
Money.
money for
Those
these
you have banana.
things.
This I want sample perfume.
Yeah, you can, when you go to work, you can stash that.
It smells nice.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. We ask for as much. One, start every 30. It's not.
Oh wait. It smells like oil base. It smells like cooking oil.
Maybe dry down, it smells good.
Yeah, let's see.
That's giving a masculine scent.
Thank you, babe. This is the lip gloss, so I'm gonna put on this and then put this over it.
Enough. And then you have the pencil.
Yes, I have my eyebrow pencil good. No, a lip liner.
Yeah, lip liner. So
My eyebrow pencil.
so this is the nude cream lip
Brown. Okay, good.
stain. So guys, basically have two different.
Thank you, babe.
Guys, you like this? No, watch. This, I love this one so much, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, shit, let's pass apart.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it started already. What is this now?
What is that? Look! You can read that, babe.
You know I'm gonna read it.
You can show them.
I love you, babe. Oh, it's the watch. My God, we didn't think the box smaller than that. That's everybody. This is what it says, guys. You put your signature on it. How cute. I want it.
It is.
Don't want to crush up because I don't want to put your back. Maybe I make me video. Okay.
Don't just drop it out of the box, like turn it. Yeah, just take out any you want to go. Oh yeah, there's
Oh,
like a
same.
next box.
Okay. Oh, it's the same color like yours.
Yes.
Yes, you do. What is? For this decoration? Guys, here's my watch.
We bought
We twinning.
yes. What's
Cute.
this? Look what that. I don't know what that, but we just say no. I'm not sure. If
It
it's,
looks like it's just decoration.
or maybe receipt or something.
Oh no, I don't scan this probably.
Oh, it's the.
Book of the
Yeah,
cleaning.
I don't know. Terminal's receipt. Alright.
Orders.
Something like that. Okay.
Oh, maintenance, warranty, and stuff like that.
Ah, okay.
This is cute. With the packaging.
Yeah, you can always keep your watch in your box.
Oh god. Okay.
Babe, when you get the chest to draw, wait a
I
minute.
mean,
Guys, we need a bigger apartment.
yes.
But here is our budget line right now. So,
Ooh. Nice.
babe, try to your hand.
We will try, babe.
Let me help you. Come.
Take time.
Oh, yes.
Hmm?
You need to check out your watch, babe. Check out your watch. Show them.
Wait. A babe bunny?
What is funny?
Chelsea, babe. Oh.
Let me see. Come not even remember what the funny.
Excellent. I love you.
Oh, good.
Okay, you're. Oh, guys, it has Chelsea, babe.
And my
XOXO.
Who might have again?
You have your name and think Bulgaria or something like that.
Yes.
No, next
So
week. Next week. Next week.
It's this is the female one says this should be small. Let me big. Mine will move too. But you want it to be tighter than that, right?
Probably gonna make my next one.
know, yeah, because you can change the
Listen, it's a hot.
you can change the band as well. You can get custom bands for it, babe.
Wait.
Yeah, but it's fine though. It's not. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than that.
Thank you, babe.
But you can go and store and then clap one hole in the door. Feel. Yeah. Even like half a tree. The workplace.
Yeah.
Yo, no, me not going to my seat.
How will you pick
Like this.
one?
Guys, we are baby 60 feet.
Yes. If you need like a tie, I would have just there. So. But it's good, we can wear one. We mean not we, but.
Yeah, it just look nice for you.
Yes, we love it. Thank you.
Nice.
Wait. Me put
But
it back.
baby, you know me need to get one custom one for you though, like different colors. So I could give one pink some for you for like just
Pink band?
Yeah, we're gonna move out in a store.
Oh.
They sell watch custom these. So you could get your custom length, everything.
Oh.
And color, any color you want. But you just have to be leather. They don't do like gold or silver. Or these watches. Yeah.
It's fine. Me put it back in my box.
Make sure you go clip on the last one.
And also you
Babe, them socks here.
you so dark.
Yeah.
She's on peace.
I say, well, yeah, but you never eat darker than I want some of these style wear pants. I sunburn me on the walk up and down myself. This one. What babe, you don't do much for?
Yeah, me like say I'm
They look
touchy
very
baby.
cute, but keep on like very fat. Right, well, so have you?
Wait, we are ready yet.
These undies. Baby, I know you love these colors for me, right? I think I have white too. Right.
You know I'm gonna do my unboxing and shit. What? Oh, this is my little bag.
I don't think you can see his eye. And I say I will believe
Here's my little bag, guys. It's with the brand name.
True Religion.
Okay, yes. It's a True Religion bag. Oh, and it comes with a. Oh, it comes with 2 straps.
2?
And a 2.
No.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh yes.
Oh, probably
so you
this-
can wear this.
So like one purse.
No. So you can switch it with the strap here. So if you want,
Oh yeah, if
so
you
if you
want
want
full
to go
gold
on
strap.
suit, you want more black, you could just wear black alone. But if you want to go on suit, you just you want gold color.
Nice.
Or this a gold or whatever color that.
Yeah, well, this is cute. I like it.
Well,
You strap them.
and then you can rock it with this, yeah. So
So my spirit for me nice. Alright.
this me have twinning shoes. Oh nice.
My lotion. Is that nice?
Babe, let me put it for you so you can smell. You're gonna love it.
Guys, it's even the best for last. I do. Everything is
It is the best though.
Yeah,
Babe, you know that
Oh,
them
me
just
belt.
look cute for you. Try
and
on
it's very
them.
simple. We love
Yes,
that. I
yeah.
like that. I like the brown, like the color.
So you can go
Oh, we
back
need that
and
take off, babe.
Babe, but me say it don't matter because you never go show.
Even though what we did take off. We did take off.
This something with the price on it.
Oh.
The tag with the scan with the barcode on it as well. The tag. Look good. But me get the shortest one,
Oh,
but
yeah,
you know
sure.
say always. Me tell you say you don't go
Good
show.
shot, but they get shot.
You didn't have so long ago, you know say you have your body now. Like
Oh, this
Rosalie. Sexy. And then you know the pants. One time the pants go down the part.
I like this, baby. I always want to build like this.
And then I can rock the black side too.
Reversible, I like that. So if you put on the black one, how you go?
Just pin it.
Oh, okay. Makes
Simple
sense.
though.
Nice.
Like me love the black side too.
Yeah, I like the pattern.
So yeah, brown and black can wear basically wear any suit at all. In my world.
Nice. I love this belt. Oh, thank you for my
Time
gift.
for you to smell.
You know, me I go wrap up the back in
Go on.
unboxing.
With tape, more tape.
Oh no, not this. Mmm. Smell like
Oh.
something to eat.
Go and go eat. On the beach.
Pink champagne. Babe, this smells so
Good,
good.
right?
Mmm.
You love it.
Yes.
Well, see you like that one day. This.
You look like my machine shiny. See? You know that when I use lotion, I have to put in the oil.
This is just you. I'm not gonna touch that.
Good. Thanks.
You're coming over city.
You mean touch it, no, don't use it.
Baby, you know me use the girly lotion, let me know.
You use it, babe. Okay. We are actually put things in there. Ooh! You got it! This is so cute. Babe, I can wear it with bathsuit, you know?
Yes, it's for the bad suit them.
Guys,
And that's
look
why I
what
tell
I
us that I never want to get the pink one, because the pink one will have more or less.
Then, how you fix the phone, so?
Already to fix.
Alright, you good. Guys, I got a little purse. How much? Aww. Baby, like your material, it feels different.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you can wear it as purse as well, you know. You can take off
Yeah.
even if you want. You can take off the mirror, it look like.
Oh, if you just have it,
As
like
long
one
as-
little card.
Yeah. But yeah, but if, you know, like when you wear your what to,
Yeah, me always want something like this.
Until I say black one cute, babe.
Probably, but just show me that for the picture.
Even when you like a go out, you can wear it too. You look cool. Even something like this, you just say
Yes. Aww. Thank you.
So come should
I
have been.
love it. But yeah, scripture please.
That's the difference. What's that? Do you not see this? I just say, I say I have to come down here, so if you want to see your face.
I just say it. Oh.
Yes. I just love, me love that. Why me love green? Me not labor in a PNP and nothing, but me like that shit. I don't want a shirt to look
These
like.
earrings so cute. Yes, finally, some earrings that I love.
Let me see it.
Babe, they're so nice.
Yes.
Guys, look. You put them in?
Yes.
No, yeah, we will do an unboxing first. Wait.
Okay.
We'll probably do it tomorrow after I finish work.
Whenever.
Thank you, babe.
The little box
You
here.
always know what to get me. I mean, like the little box here.
I think it should be like this.
If we go over it?
Yeah, it should come with the box.
Oh.
So like one here, one here. So you see? So
Okay. Makes sense. Oh, this is cute.
yes.
Like,
Me like this packaging better than the pink one.
which pink one?
My last year
that?
pink, yeah. I like pink better.
We like it for but this more.
The one that more richer.
Guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and I'm out to go do my lashes. I'm late. My appointment is 11:30 and it's 11:30 now. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys my outfit. Guys, the decorations are still in here because Tariq refused to take them down. So, yeah. we're going on the road and then we're gonna do shopping. So come with me for part of my day. Sorry, Capitan closed, but we're gonna leave now. I want my lash tight. I was kind of late, but maybe we're gonna start it. But Terry come back gone. Okay, we leave some at home. So, oh, it's so cute. But yeah, I'm about to start. So, whenever I'm through, I'll show you my gosh, one already. But yeah, guys, I booked the volume. Oh my god. Let me go somewhere. She's right there. You like this?
Yes, I love them. They make it look nice. Extra. Yeah,
I love these.
Me need to get coleslaw for myself and mac and cheese.
Babe got food.
But the mac and cheese I feel way right now. You oversee mac and cheese, right? This one. I like this.
So what we're gonna eat now? Wow.
This tastes so good. Yeah.
It's looking at washing machines. What is it?
Call your mother answer too. Mommy did tell me some that banana. You have AirPods?
Yeah.
Yeah, then, yeah. Yeah, I'm out to connect for every time, right?
What that mean? What do you say?
We can get this. Babe, take one picture. Can you not take me picture anymore?
What do you mean? Going home. We saw some stuff that we like, so we're going to make a decision and let you guys know. Right?
Yes, for sure.
But when I let you get the first coach,
Yes, I look for one.
I don't feel like other one. I love the other one too, but just a look on in class. So we're currently at Priceman. This in here is so full. But we're gonna get some stuff. And I'm gonna be cooking tomorrow. Watch it. People are fear reverse the variety. But yeah, see you guys inside. There you go, come button me shorts, guys. Me can't do which one. Can't show the big belly or do in C30. That shorts here, it not stay up. Like each time I get up, it the zipper go down. Let me know what kind of shorts this sheen build, but yeah, we finna go in. I love my hair, it's so cute.
Your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it.
Yeah. Make a snap with your pretty friend. You a walk with a pretty crew. Every girl in your crew pretty. Every girl.
Your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away.
today. Tarek outside of it for me. I'm doing a make video. So, guys, when we reach in the club, we talk about. I'm for weird, I suppose. I don't wear my slippers because everyone is going in another one. Go with this. Today. Alright, I'm ready. I'm reaching my car, guys. Okay, so we're currently in Crossroads. So, quick backstory. So, we got a new mattress. Whenever I get for sure. Guys, look how me I sweat and the AC is on. But anyways, we got a new mattress and we were supposed to get a new machine, right? Normally, as you can see, we didn't go in a course, but then we wanted the machine with the thing in the middle because my mommy had that for like 10 plus years and nothing ever wrong with it. Like, she literally just changed it out because it was giving mommy had that like from me like a bit, like from before me even born, and it literally just matched up a couple months ago. So I wanted one exactly like that, but to know they're not gonna be building them like that. So anyways, went in the courts. They didn't have any that we liked, but there's this place beside courts in Crossroads. It's an Indian place, so we not have luck with the Indian them, and we should have known. But at least I was at work, so Tariq was the one that came, so even look on it and seem nice. I'm say okay, fine. When the people them come deliver there's something crap. Look guys, let me show you. You see the machine right out there, so something wrong with the machine, you know. Let me tell you how we found out. A delivery receipt was on it. Them forgot to take it off, and them put something was wrong with it. Like them would write when cycle is supposed to start, it kept, I don't know, something like that. Them put on it. I mean, I say, why these people are selling used stuff? I was saying why it looks so crap because it was the one on display. So Tariq was like, okay, fine, let's get it and see it. Guys, when me looking at the rubber, the pipe, the little hose that it came with, that look robot in the dirty, in the part where you're supposed to put the fabric softener, you can see some green something in there, so you know it was already used. I mean, so no, we're not keeping that. Yeah, come back here if you get your money. So that's what we're here doing now. Don't buy nothing from Indian people. And you know, we bought a TV from, well, not from these people, from some people in Olaba, and we should have known, you know. We should have known, never again. So that's the little backstory. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna be looking at some new machines today, as we were doing in the previous video that I had last week. Was it last week Saturday? Yeah. Because y'all know I only have the weekends off. And then we're supposed to be going out tonight. So let's see how that goes. So I'm currently in the car waiting on Tariq. But yeah, guys, I love this hair so much. I think it fits me like perfectly. I like so cute. Take a picture. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys back when we reach. Probably we're gonna go back in a court or somewhere. I don't know yet, but yeah. We're getting our new couch. Yeah, man. We're finally getting our new couch. Are you excited? It's not the one that we wanted, but
it's nice.
It's nice. I think y'all are gonna love it.
We saw one that we really love, but guess what?
They might have it. Like, it's so comfy, but they might have it. So we're getting the social now. But yeah, so we got a couch and we get one new washing machine.
100 and the one for 124 was that nice too. Like.
That one there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different as well.
I prefer the one up there because you have the Ottoman.
Yeah. And it's in budget as well. It's in budget, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe a gel actually work. But it just make me ear look like it a lift up. I prefer my gel.
Yeah. I don't. She don't eat uniform. I no want to move. What? Hey, girl.
Oh, sorry.
You look nice. Hi. Pull up, here, girl. Guys, you just get her.
Not much. Hey guys, so we're at Active, and guess what I got? It's my first time actually trying it, so let's see if it's better than. Of course, it's better than Starbucks because Starbucks out here. Starbucks out here don't know if you make it. Well,
Guys, she not buying none for me.
him don't want none, yeah?
That's what I say.
Girl, did you make it water?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Give me some of that. That tastes good.
Wait.
See if I'm gonna cup one.
It's fine.
And it's coffee.
What do you mean if I just coffee?
I want to add this more. I can't take out it.
No.
I want the cookie.
No!
What do you mean no?
I said no. Babe, stop drinking something like I say a juice.
This bad man, I feel like I go for one.
You can get the caramel one.
Hmm?
You see it is.
I'm not go back in the bed. We have borrowed time, bro. That's why I'm just want
Yeah,
to
just take out this something. Where next one?
Hmm?
Where next one?
The next one.
Cookie.
It's in there. You know, so I have to take out two of them. Hmm?
Oh, you know easy one.
Can you get some more, please? This is... Hey. Babe, mix in this in the dog.
So we're on our way home now. And we did stop at Fontana. But we were kind of pressed for time, so that's why I'm never vlog and showing. So we got a rug from Fontana, if you can see it there, and we got a little plant. It's so cute. Like, yeah. When I set up the little area that the couch is gonna go, we're in the living room. Right? We're in the living room?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys, but we're going home now because the man is supposed to be delivering the machine. Oh, they're having a picnic, a friendly date. Wait, guys, that's how our day went. We're about to go home now. So, see you guys later. Give me baby day.
I guess see. Very much shine.
Guys, we're home. So, I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be putting the couch. I don't think it's going to... We bought it from court. We don't think it's going to reach until Tuesday or Wednesday. So, it's going to go here. So, guys, we really don't have a living room space. So, we just try to make it more comfy. The fridge is normally out here. So, I'm going to put it in the little kitchen space that I have. Fridge, stove, yeah. You kind of chuck up, but we gotta work with what we gotta work with. Me, I wonder if no, the garbage bin not gonna stay this. So it's gonna be coming here. It's gonna look cute, but here's the flowers that I bought. That's the painting, and let me show you the rug. Here it is. But yeah, after I put down the rug, I just want to see how it looks now because I have to go check it out back.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.